Moreover, in order to quickly accommodate customer needs which vary from region to region, Honda has long been proactive in localizing our production and development activities. With a passion to deliver automobiles which accommodate the ever-changing attitudes and needs of automobile users in the booming Indian market, we thoroughly studied the values our customers expect for automobiles and developed an entry model which is suitable for the new era to come. First, we studied what our Indian customers are expecting. We learned that our customers want a spacious cabin, comfort for family use, fuel economy, and also stylish exterior. We determined the vehicle dimensions through various research, including road conditions, weather conditions, and visibility of automobiles in India. We wanted to make a body size unique to MPVs, so the height had to be more than 1600 mm. We determined that the vehicle length should be less than 4.4 meter based on our research of the size of parking spaces attached to typical homes and shopping malls. We realized a turning radius of 5.2 meter based on our consideration for ease of use in the cities. And finally, the ground clearance was set at 189 millimeter considering Indian road conditions. Based on such findings, we developed a stylish MPV that provides our customers with assurance and comfort. It's Mobilio. The name Mobilio was coined from the English words mobility and mobile. The grand concept for this vehicle was progressive private jetliner. There were three core elements: show off, which represents the styling; comfort, which represents ease of use; and assurance, which represents excellent fuel economy and commitment to the Honda brand. First, let me explain the element of show off. The exterior design concept for this vehicle was dual solid motion. We created the fusion of a dynamic body and glassy cabin. Moreover, sportiness is expressed by the sharp spoiler and character line on the side. This is the final exterior sketch. And this is 10-spoke alloy wheel design. Concept is tough and sporty. We imagined dynamic wing and strong spoke in order to come up with this design. The interior concept is prime comfort. Prime comfort is ensured by wide seats, spacious legroom, and a large trunk space. For the utility-seeking customer, we have provided one class above versatility in Mobilio. The second row has a 60-40 split bench seat with armrest. It has slide options so that customer can adjust the space as per his requirement. It also has a recline adjustment for complete comfort as per customer need. Coming on to the third row flexibility. Third row has a 50-50 split bench seat along with recline adjustment. It can be tumble folded, so there is generous luggage space for the customer. The interiors have been made keeping three things in focus: comfort, convenience, and capacity. The door pockets have ample space to hold bottle holders and other utility items. Long armrests have been provided for comfort position. And sufficient capacity is there to accommodate different luggage items, including 2 small-sized suitcases. This is the final interior sketch. And this is the actual picture of Honda Mobilio. And now I would like to explain about the exclusive RS grade in Mobilio. Especially for RS grade, the exterior design is bolder than the base grade. New front and rear bumper and side sill has been applied for sporty image. And also, we have applied projector headlamps, LED position lamps for sporty and strong image. Moreover, the design of wheels with aggressiveness are exclusive only in RS grade.